When you search for the best bread box, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually keeps your bread fresh and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Kitcher Bread Box. The Kitcher Bread Box caught my eye with its sleek design and large capacity, priced at $22.99. If you want a stylish and functional bread storage solution, this is worth a serious look. This bread box measures 15 x 8.3 x 9.1, giving you plenty of space for multiple loaves while saving valuable counter space. The magnetic closure makes it easy to access, and the semi-transparent acrylic door lets you check your bread without constant opening. It's not just for bread either, you can store snacks or even kitchen tools. With over 3,000 units sold just last month and a 4.5-star rating, it seems like a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit large for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you have counter space to spare, this box provides great storage for your bread and other essentials. This is perfect for you if you love fresh homemade bread and want an attractive storage option. Skip this one if you're tight on counter space. For the price, it's a solid investment for your kitchen. Now, if the large size of the Kitcher bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Augie Stainless Steel Roll Top. Next up is the Augie Stainless Steel Roll Top Bread Box, priced at $43.49. The contemporary design caught my attention immediately. If you want a blend of style and functionality, this one deserves your attention. This bread box is spacious at 15, 25 x 8, 25 x 8, 25, perfect for holding several large loaves or other baked goods like cookies and muffins. Made from durable stainless steel, it not only looks sleek but also keeps your bread fresh with its airtight seal. The tempered glass lid adds a modern touch while allowing you to see what's inside. With over 3,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many love it. However, I noticed some users mentioned that the roll-top lid can be a bit stiff at times. But honestly, once you get used to it, it's a small issue for such a stylish and functional box. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish addition to your kitchen that can handle multiple types of baked goods. Skip this if you're looking for something more traditional in style. For the quality you get, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value practicality. Product number 3, Culinary Couture White Bread Box. The Culinary Couture White Bread Box is up next, priced at $28.99. What stood out to me was the bamboo lid that doubles as a cutting board. If you're looking for a multifunctional bread box, this is definitely worth your time. This box measures 13 x 7.5 x 5 inches, which is perfect for keeping your homemade bread fresh without taking too much countertop space. The bamboo lid not only adds a nice aesthetic but also offers practicality, letting you slice bread right on top. The design maintains the right balance of airflow and humidity, keeping your bread fresher for longer. With a 4.6-star rating from over 6,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among many. Some users reported that the size may not be suitable for larger loaves. Here's the thing, if you bake smaller bread or use it for bagels and muffins, it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that does double duty as a cutting board. Skip this if you typically bake large loaves. Considering its features, it offers great value. Now, if the size of the Culinary Couture bread box is a deal breaker for you, let's look at something that offers a bit more room. Product number 4, Goosei Double Layer Bread Box. The Goosei Double Layer Bread Box is next on the list, priced at $37.97. I was drawn to its vintage farmhouse style and double layer design. If you want something that combines style with functionality, this one's worth considering. This bread box offers a whopping 2,030.95 cubic inches of storage, allowing you to keep multiple types of bread and baked goods fresh. The two-tier design promotes airflow, minimizing moisture and keeping everything in great shape. It's made from premium bamboo wood and is easy to assemble, which is a huge plus. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 1,500 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its design and functionality. However, some reviews mention the assembly could be tricky for some. This is perfect for you if you like having ample storage while maintaining a stylish kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer something that's ready to use right out of the box. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the assembly of the guzzi has you concerned, let's check out something that's super straightforward. Product number 5, Tiawudi 2-pack bread box. Last but not least is the Tiawudi 2-pack bread box, priced at $19.99. I was impressed by the great value of 2 containers in one. If you want an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality, this is a must-see. Each container holds 5.3 liters, perfect for storing everything from sandwiches to bagels. Made from BPA-free plastic, they're safe for you and your family. The airtight lids really help keep your bread fresh and prevent pests. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's become a favorite for those wanting practical storage. However, some users noted that they might feel a bit flimsy compared to wood or metal options. But here's the truth, they are lightweight and easy to clean, making them a great choice for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want an economical solution for bread storage without skimping on quality. Skip this if you prefer a more stylish or heavier container. For 2 boxes at that price, it's a fantastic deal. To sum it up, the Kitcher offers a stylish large capacity. The Augie combines modern aesthetics with functionality. The Culinary Couture provides versatility with a bamboo lid. The Guzzi brings vintage charm and ample space, and the Tiawudi gives you economical practicality with 2 containers. Each option has its own strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.